everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the TSINGLONG, and it is a coffee maker. Let's check this thing out, see what it looks like and how it works. Let's get it out of the box. I don't know why it's not exiting the box. I don't know. Maybe it's glued in somehow. We gotta rip open the box. Okay. So this is it here. Put it in for a second. I'll assemble it. Okay. So this is what it looks like here. Looks like a coffee maker. And it comes with some instructions here on cleaning it and whatnot, but it looks pretty straightforward. Let's plug this in. This is how it's going to be, and it lights up on the top. We'll fill up this. This is going to be the water reservoir here. Let's see how we do this. Looks like we just kind of. Oh, right there. Haha. Okay, so let's fill that up. Okay, we've got a full water reservoir. I'll put it on here. Get myself a coffee mug. Slide this on there, that's the base right there. Hopefully you can see all that. And let's push a button and see what happens. Oh, actually I did. Let's do 8 ounces. I'll push the button in the middle. See what happens. I think it's going. Oh yeah, I hear it. It's and there it is. It's starting to heat up. Oh, I didn't even open it to see if anything was in there, but it looks like we're okay. Let's put down some water. That water is very, very hot. So this is how it's brewing. So it is working. It's coming out down there. Water's coming from in there, and the magic happens inside. Let's see what 8 ounces looks like here in a second, and then we'll try the actual coffee pod. Grab one of those. That's actual coffee. Seems about as fast as any other one. This is super slim, which is nice for this little apartment here. It'll fit on the side and won't be in anybody's way. So it must be getting close to being done here. I'm not exactly sure. 6 ounces, about half a cup. Oh, 8 ounces. There we go. And now we have ourselves a cup of hot water, and that is really hot. So this is what it looks like up here. So it's got a little pod thing in here. Put it in there. And it looks like this is going to be a refillable pod that it comes with, and then you can stick the other pods in here. So let me stick one in here, dump this out, and try to make actual coffee. Now that we've kind of cleaned it out with the hot water. So let's see if we put this in here. There, and let's push it down. So maybe this is going to work. Let me try this now. So now let's try this again. This time I'll try 10 ounces, and it says it's up for strong. Let's see what happens. And there it is, making coffee. Very cool. Look at that. You just put one of those pods in, and it's already making coffee. Can you see that in there? Smells like coffee. Now my whole apartment's gonna smell like coffee. This time I set it for 10 ounces, so it should be a little bit bigger than before. It's cool too that it comes with this little device here, so you can go and just put coffee grounds in there and make your own little pod. How cool is that? Cool little idea. Making it pretty quick. I mean, it's just a coffee maker. There's no scheduling or anything like that. There's just on and off, and then there's temperature and strongness. I guess I have it on the weakest on the strong. There's the middle strong, and then the temp is on the highest right now. So we should be nearing its completion here in a minute. Coffee's coming out a little bit clearer now. I guess we've used up all of our coffee grounds. And there it is. Now we have a cup of coffee. Let me get that in there for a second. I don't know why it drained. I guess it just drained a little bit extra at the end. But there it is. And there is a cup of coffee. It smells like coffee. And then we can open it up and throw away our little pod like we normally do. However that comes out, like that. We're good to go. Pretty cool. That's hot. Cool. Like it thing. Thumbs up.